What's up, everybody? Ryan Michael Ballo here, creator of the Cortex Nootropic Stack, taker of many B vitamins, and that's what I want to talk about. There's a long review that I suggest you read the whole thing. I just sat here and read this whole thing, and it's super enlightening about the necessity for B vitamins in general. My main contention in this video is that B vitamins are necessary to take every day, or to have a high concentration of B vitamins, you will urinate out the excess of B vitamins. And that particularly when you take nootropics. B vitamins are involved in the synthesis of various neurotransmitters, acetylcholine particularly and B5 particularly, but also other things, DNA and cellular repair, in the case of vitamin B9, especially in conjunction with uridine monophosphate, which is why we put it in the Cortex product. But that is essentially the base of the argument, to take B vitamins, or make sure you have high concentrations of B vitamins, but to take B vitamins with most nootropic stacks. I mean, think about it. Most nootropic stacks available, and the ones that are really effective, affect the cholinergic system. That is, they increase acetylcholine, they optimize the way that your brain produces acetylcholine, they optimize the way your brain uses and releases acetylcholine in the case of oxiracetam and aniracetam in the hippocampus, which underlie their memory effects, and on and on and on and on and on. I'm gonna read a little bit of the abstract here from this B vitamins and the brain, mechanisms, dose, and efficacy. It's a review on PubMed. Here goes the abstract. The B vitamins comprise a group of 8 water-soluble vitamins that perform essential, closely interrelated roles in cellular functioning, acting as coenzymes in a vast array of catabolic and anabolic enzymatic reactions. Their collective effects are particularly prevalent to numerous aspects of brain function, including energy production, DNA and RNA synthesis and repair, genomic and non-genomic methylation, and the synthesis of numerous neurochemicals, meaning neurotransmitters, and signaling molecules. So, I mean, that's just like one major sort of general look at why they're so important for the usage of nootropics, to take them with nootropics. And even if you don't take nootropics, I mean, I cycle off of everything all the time. I don't, I said before that I don't like to keep taking nootropics every day. We made a video where we talked about how you can take nootropics every day. You should just cycle between stacks, but I don't think that's an awesome idea, and I cycle off all the time. But when I cycle off, I'll still drink coffee. I'll still take like 5-HTP because I love what 5-HTP does to my mood. And, and I take a complex B vitamin that has at least the RDA for folate, B9, and then it has a double, triple, quadruple the RDA for essentially the rest of the B vitamins, which I think is important. But let's scroll down to one of these. There's a critical part that I want to read. Okay, let's read about number 2 here. Mechanisms of action and functions of B vitamins. B vitamins act as coenzymes in a substantial proportion of the enzymatic processes that underpin every aspect of cellular physiological functioning. As a coenzyme, the biologically active form of the vitamin binds with a protein, a penzyme, I'm not saying that right, creating a holoenzyme, thereby increasing the resultant enzyme's competence in terms of the diversity of reactions that it can catalyze. In this role, B vitamins play key interacting roles in the majority of cellular functions. Now, there is a part of this review that talks about, here we go, catabolic energy production. One or more of the B vitamins are involved in every aspect of the absolutely essential catabolic process of generating energy within cells. And deficiency in any one B vitamin will have negative consequences for this process. Let's just stop there. I mean, I could sit here and read this forever, but again, you might want to go read B vitamins in the brain, mechanisms, dose, and efficacy, a review. The production of energy, particularly the process of ATP, producing energy in the brain, requires B vitamins to work correctly. The production of acetylcholine requires vitamin B5, right? Facilitating cellular growth and repair, and even neurogenesis, the process spawning new neurons, requires vitamin B9, and uridine monophosphate and a choline source, which is why we put it in Cortex. And by the way, B vitamins are going to be the next Cortex stack. Some people don't react well to excess B vitamins, and so we decided not to put it in Gen 1, but we're gonna take the jump and put B vitamins into Gen 2. Moral of the story is, take your B vitamins. If you can't get a particular nootropic to work well for you, you might want to take the RDA and double the RDA and triple the RDA for all the B vitamins. If you cycle off nootropics and you still want to function well and you still want your brain to have the ability to produce energy especially in the midst of living a regular life and having a social life where you drink alcohol, which depletes B vitamins, take a B complex. For me, when I cycle off of everything and I just drink coffee and take 5-HTP or maybe some theanine or something, and I don't take B vitamins, my brain works less good that day. It's just cut and dry. My brain works less good that day. But when I do take B vitamins, my brain works better that day. And in a lot of instances, I can just take a B vitamin. I can just take coffee, 5-HTP, maybe some theanine and B vitamin, or drink a cup of coffee or two and take a complex B vitamin, and my brain is on point as if I had taken like a very strong nootropic like Cortex or I hate to compare it to modafinil, but let's say like Noopept or Aniracetam, Oxiracetam, or Piracetam. So, moral of the story: take your B vitamins. They are critical for very many functions of the brain, for synthesizing various neurochemicals, and for the production of energy. Get your B vitamins. If you've not tried the Cortex Nootropic Stack, this is our commercial stack that we sell in the US and Canada and the UK and Australia, that the US military uses, people on Wall Street use. Various business leaders and business personnel all around the world, to include people in the Silicon Valley who are building crazy technology companies, use Cortex, talk about Cortex, spread around Cortex. So grab a bottle at livecortex.com. The main ingredients that are particularly effective, which we briefly touched on, are uridine monophosphate and CDP choline. Go research the combination of those two and how they build phosphatidylcholine and improve neurite outgrowth and improve the dopaminergic system in the brain. And grab a bottle of Cortex at the livecortex.com website. I think you're going to love it. Otherwise, take your B vitamins. Thanks for watching.